Hi, it's Eugene here, and this is a multi-agent system framework that I programmed. It's a Java version, but there's a C++ version as well. It's housed within a quad tree framework, and this version shows an autonomous agent with a map just loaded, with the zeros and ones showing barriers and walkable landscapes. And the whole program is just to test how uh, human beings would move through a landscape given certain targets in landscape that they have navigated through. And the black part shows the barriers that the agent could move through. So if the target is selected outside this area, the agent will not go through and will seek to move to another random location. The randomness is just to show how the agents move through the landscape and sort of a visual statistics of where an agent moves about using the random target algorithm. Now, as the agent moves through the landscape, you can see that the path that the agent moved through becomes whiter and whiter. That's threading. So after a little while, you can see that the agent is within only a section of the landscape without moving very far off, and that's the autonomy of the agent behavior. Now, the purpose of this agent-based modeling um, is to model landscapes, with people, perhaps an ancient landscape such as Stonehenge, and also the uh, most of the southern North Sea landscape, Doggerland, where uh, it's flooded, and we cannot recreate, we cannot reconstruct landscape based on archaeological findings. So gaps can be filled up by multi-agent systems. So we can model agents as uh, people who needed resources, and how they move through the landscape looking for resources, and how they connect with other tribes and cultures. At this moment, the agent begins to move very fast, and that's just speeding up the video, and just to save time to see where the agents move about, and how far it goes within an enclosed landscape. So there will be more videos coming up, and we just see the agents moving through in a very random order, but there are patterns building up as the agents move through the landscape. Uh, you can see the command window, the console window showing get new path cell coordinate, and those are the agent's next cell to move to. So it's threading the landscape based on the path that it goes through. A few more minutes, actually a few more seconds before the animation or the agent-based simulation ends.